And then this year, he won a fiddle contest at the Roots at St. Louis. Yeah.
Little feller?
Little feller.
Which one was little feller you want?
Oh. Anyway, we got him up here yesterday, and lo and behold, his picture and mine was on the front of some paper or page 8 or something. Anyway, we got recognition for it, didn't we? Or you did. And this is Deven McCauley. And he's going to do back up and push, I think, again, right? Let me make sure my guitar is tuned, okay? See? See? Okay. I've waited around till the rains come, and I'm starting to catch a little cold.